Good morning, Word Study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study. Today we are going to sort letter feature P, sort number 11. Our discovery for this week, again, is adding ION to words that end in either TE or SE. When we add that ION ending, we need to drop the E before adding our suffix, ION. Let's take a look at our headers. Our headers this week are TE, dropping the E to add ION, SE, and dropping the E again to add ION. We're going to take a look at some of our words, and we are going to sort our words. Our first word is celebrate. Celebrate ends in TE, so I'm going to put celebrate under our TE column. Evaporate. TE goes under our TE column. Our next word, precise. I see precise ends in SE, so that would go over in our SE column. Exaggeration. Exaggeration. I'm going to look for another word because these do have some buddy words here, and I'm going to look for, there's exaggerate. I see a TE, so I'm going to put exaggerate here in the TE column. Exaggeration, I see TION, so I know that it needs to go in the E drop from TE. So exaggerate, exaggeration. Okay, I'm going to just scoot this window down a little. Okay. Educate, educate ends in TE. Averse. Averse ends in SE, so that goes over here in this column. Aversion. Aversion is the buddy word to averse. Aversion. So we drop that E to add ION. Communication. I notice that ends in TION, so I'm going to put that over here in the E drop as a buddy word to a TE word. Okay, let's take a look at cooperate. I see cooperate has a TE ending, so I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to drop this window down a little bit so we have some more room. We have a lot of words this week. Okay, I see communicate ends in TE, and that's a buddy word to communication. So I notice that I have to drop that E to add ION. Our next word we're going to sort is pollute. Again, we have TE as our ending, so we're going to put that over in the TE column. And then pollution, I know we have to drop that E to add ION. Let's take a look at immerse. Immerse ends in SE, so we'll put that in the SE column. And I'm going to look for its buddy word, immersion, where we know we have to drop that E to add ION, so we have SION, immersion. Let's take a look here at confuse. Confuse has SE, and I'm going to look for its buddy word, confusion. Drop that E, and we have SION. Let's take a look at celebration. I know that I have a buddy word up here with TE, celebrate, celebration. Okay. Let's take a look at precision. I know it has a buddy word. It ends in S, S-I-O-N. Precise, precision. Notice the vowel change there too. We go from a long I in precise to a short I in precision. I have cooperation. I notice that ends in T-I-O-N, so I'm going to buddy that up with cooperate. Education has T-I-O-N. I see its buddy word up there, educate. And then our last word, evaporation, we go to T-I-O-N, evaporate, evaporation. Please be very careful when sorting these words, as they do have similar sound endings when we add I-O-N. Just keep your eye out. Is it a T-I-O-N or an S-I-O-N? That's it for this week in Word Study. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.